Hello everybody once again. So in this video we are going to recapitulate all the points which you have already talked about in the previous videos. So what are the steps that you are going to keep in your mind while attempting the question of this note making? So follow the following steps. Step 1, read the passage carefully. This is the very basic requirement of doing the note making. Try to get the theme and subject of the passage. You may ask yourself, try to get the theme, as I have given you some hint that this is the first and the last paragraph from where you very easily will be getting the theme and the title of your paragraph. What is this passage all about? If you are asking yourself this question, that what is this passage all about, this is nothing but the title of your note making. This will provide you the gist. So read carefully and identify the main ideas and important supporting details. Make notes of the main ideas under headings and subpoints under subheadings. Use proper layout and format. I have already talked about this indented form, sequential form, tabular form, flowchart. But the indented form, as I have asked you, is the best thing, and use the decimal indenting. Use recognizable abbreviations wherever possible. So see, this is one of the passages that you have been asked to do or make notes. So this is about the conversation. So conversation is indeed the most easily teachable of all arts. All you need to do in order to become a good conversationalist is to find a subject that interests you and your listeners. There are, for example, numberless hobbies to talk about. So in this manner you have to go and just read it. Now see, how are the notes being made? So make notes and the contents of our paragraph in any format using abbreviations. So supply a suitable title also and make summary of the passage. This is 4 plus 4 this year, don't worry. So see the answer. It starts from the title, The Art of Conversation. The Art of Conversation. Remember one thing more here. When you are writing this title, this must not be a single word title. It must be preferably a phrase. Okay, this is quite striking to the eye of the reader that it is being written into the phrase. And see the first point, conversation. See the contraction abbreviations used for conversation. Also box given below. So most easily teachable art, reading, like that. Hobbies, talk about other follows, interest, hobbies, and all these things. See the indenting, though I have asked you to make the indenting as per 1.1, 1.2 and those decimal points. So qualities of a good conversationalist, and see again A, B, C, D, and see the box given and the summary. And the summary this year, the word limit of summary this year is 50. So you have to keep this point into your mind. So one thing that you people commit, or you tend to commit a usual mistake, is you people just copy and just imitate the sentences from the passage itself. You have taken 2 sentences from the paragraph number 1 or 2 sentences from paragraph number 2, and like that, and you are summarizing the things. No, there should be a coordination between the notes that you have prepared and the summary that you are giving there. First 2-3 points of your note should be reflected in one sentence number 1 or 2 of your summary, because you are summarizing not the passage now. The role of passage is now over. As soon as you complete the notes, as soon as you complete the note making, now the summary is all about your notes. You are now summarizing the notes, because you are already already instructed not to use the complete and the full sentences in your note making. So in summary, you are going to explain your points in your full sentences. So conversation is the easiest and the most effective tool than other arts. See the notes. Conversation most easily teachable art. So it is being reflected in the summary. The point you have taken in your note making is being reflected in the summary. So that's why your summary, this is very important. Because when is the evaluator going to assess you, this is only on the basis of the first and the second sentences, only on the points that you have referred to in your note making. If there is no coordination between your note making and the points and the summary that you are giving in your answer book, so that you are going to lose your mark. So this is 4 plus 4, so this is carrying a very high weightage in your note making question, ultimately carrying 8 marks. So be very much brief about it. Make a mind map before writing a summary, that these are the points, these are the sub points, these are the things, these are the words, the phrases which we are going to use in our summary. So in this manner you are going to wind it up, and I am cocksure that you all are going to score more than 7 marks. So we are not fighting for 6 out of 10, we are fighting for more than 7 marks out of 8 in this note making question. And remember, as I already told you, this question is also a part of your class 12th English CBSE course. So that's why it will, you just start learning the art of this note making, so it will help you in class 12th also. Thank you.